Welcome once again to Richard's Adventures. On a different phone this time because the other one's been lost. Not found yet. So, not the best of qualities of videos today. But we've got videos of Comic Con. I don't know when they'll be uploaded. When they do, it'll be epic. So enjoy the stay out of Comic Con. This is Friday, by the way. We've got the Ongo one coming up, and then after that we have Comic Con again. Got to find my friend and all this lot. I don't know where he is because I've got no phone connection, which don't help. I started. It's here. It's here. It's here.
Oh, yo, girl.
The doctor. This is the bit you was talking about.
Yeah. Called it.
Yeah. Why not?
Doctor Who. Hey, Doctor Who. Doctor Who. In the TARDIS. Doctor Who. Hey, Doctor Who. Doctor Who. Doctor Who. Doctor Who. Doctor Who.
1 minute. Give me 1 minute though. Doctor Who. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're here. Should we stay here? You're right.
Yeah.
Are they wandering off? Oh, well, what's that? Should we go to Doctor Who section while we're here? Wow. That's the actual TARDIS from the Doctor Who series, the new one. That's the Jodie series. No way, it's actually here, the real deal. That's so cool, right? That's a Lego car. Actually, look, it's a Lego car. That's so cool. It's actually Lego. Actually, just took the flash off. It feels weird. It looks 3D as well. Look on the phone, look on the camera. It's 3D. It's a Magic Store. Games section now. It's in computer games. Aces is there. Aces. Aces fan. Spider-Man's hanging upside down. Oh my god. That's how random is that? That's so random. And it's epic though. Dinosaur. Come here every year. These guys are here again. Don't forget to subscribe to these guys. They're really good, they are. This is a cool stall. Look at all the gold stiff there, guys. So cool. All this stuff there. Look at that. Monster in my pocket as well. Oh my gosh. So cool. Look at the size of that. Whoa. Decided to queue up for a curry. This is the chicken place. And see what it tastes like. Just to let you know, on the Beano stand, the guy that owns the Beano, his daughter works in Isle of Wight Sound on Zoom. And now I am at the Coca-Cola stand tasting experience. However that's going to hand up, I don't know. It's really interesting to find out the senses.
And stuff. Yeah, so that we can show you that Coca-Cola basically.
You'll balance it up. 1:21 seconds to get you a price. £5 voucher, 20 seconds, £10 voucher, 50 seconds, £20 voucher, and the price draw, unlimited cinema tickets for 67. Oh, let's start. Oh, we can't handle it. That's pretty cool though. The Rick and Morty. Wow. You know, it's what you see here on the pink piece of paper. You know, it's these guys. You have to check them out. When I say it's a must, it's a must. Okay? And on YouTube. I'm finished here at Comic Con here in Lee. Yeah. And we're leaving it for today and coming back Sunday.